Hi, good morning. I'm AJ Adore and welcome to Super White Shop. Today, we will be having a actual demonstration for our Miracle White Gluta Drip. So, first, we need to gather the materials. We have here alcohol. We have here the hypoallergenic tape, tourniquet, of course the cotton balls, and then we have here the butterfly. We have here the 0.9% sodium chloride or our sterile water, non-pyrogenic. This is only 50 ml for the Gluta Drip. And then we have of course our 10cc syringe. We also have here our macro set. This is our macro set for our Gluta Drip. And of course our medicine for our Miracle White Gluta Drip. We have, this is the main component, the Miracle White Gluta Drip. This is with coenzyme Q10 200 milligrams. We also have here nano concentrated glutathione 5,000 milligrams. And for IV infusion only. We also have here our Miracle White kojic acid 750 milligrams, ascorbic acid 1,000 milligrams, and epidermal growth factor 500 milligrams. And then we also have here our Miracle White theoctic acid, that's 100 milligrams. We also have our Miracle White multivitamins, 1,000 or 150 milligrams. And we also have here our cyanocobalamin, or vitamin B, 50 milligrams. Okay? So all these, ito po yung imimix natin, ihahalo natin for our Miracle White Gluta Drip. Yan, this one. All this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we need to mix our Miracle White Glutathione medication. So, we're gonna open this one. We're going to add the kojic acid, ascorbic acid, and epidermal growth factor. So, this is one. And then i-add natin siya. Kunin siya from here. Natin ilagay. And i-add siya dito. So ito na yung ano natin, kojic acid, ascorbic acid, and epidermal growth factor. Ayan. So dito. And after this one, i-add natin yung yung multivitamins na 150 milligrams. Yan, ito na yung multivitamins natin. At ihalo na natin siya dito, i-add. Okay. Next, we have itong Miracle White na theoctic acid. Yan. So, ito na yun siya. This is the yellow colored na liquid theoctic acid. Lagay na natin. Okay. And lastly, we have the Miracle White cyanocobalamin, or also known as the vitamin B12. Nasaan na yung feed. Yung ating cyanocobalamin. This helps in absorbing our glutathione in the body. Helps for the absorption. Ayan. So, we'll get a cotton ball. And, here, ihalo lang siya. So, do not shake vigorously. Dapat gentle lang yung pag-shake niya. Para yung mga chemical properties inside our Miracle White will not be disturbed or hindi siya ganun ma-altered. So, we'll let this sit lang muna for a few minutes. Diyan lang yan muna. At we'll prepare our tubings. So, ito na yung macro set natin. So, ganito siya. Yung macro set natin. So, yung end-to-end ng macro set at saka yung sa butterfly na end, ikabit lang natin. By the way, I'm AJ Adore and I'm a nurse by profession. I've been working before at Northern Mindanao Medical Center, NMMC, in Cagayan de Oro Center, Cagayan de Oro City. as a staff nurse. That's why I'm a registered nurse. At the same time, I am an IV therapist nurse, registered also. So, kinabit ko na siya, yung end-to-end ng butterfly, at saka yung sa macro set natin. Okay? And then ito na yung sterile water natin na 0.9% sodium chloride. Or tawag natin ito is plain NSS. Plain normal saline solution. So I think na-mix na siya. Yan. So what we're going to do is of course i-mix siya from here sa vial na to to here sa ating Glutathione sa drip or sa 0.9% sodium chloride or the plain NSS. And meron pa siyang maliit na portion. Okay. So I think we're ready. So this one, once again, kunin natin siya. Yan. So, kunin natin siya inside. Yan. Kubalan yun and the multivitamins plus this one, itong ating coenzyme Q10 and nano-concentrate na glutathione. Nagiging talaga siya all in all. Okay. So here we go. Ito na yung lahat. We'll just add here. So, open natin siya. And then, i-add natin siya. Okay? So, dito tayo sa in. Ayan. So, ito yung paghalo niya. Para hindi siya full air yung bottle, mag-eject tayo ng air. Ayan. I-eject natin yung air. Para hindi siya mag-vacuum. Ayan. So, ito na yon. Na-mix na natin siya. So, ito na yung ating tinatawag na Miracle White Glutathione. So, all in all, lahat ng medications plus our 0.9% sodium chloride or the plain NSS or the plain normal saline solution. Of course, this is sterile. So, yung kanina, you remember, kinabit natin yung end-to-end ng butterfly and then ang macro set. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is yung pinakauna dito sa macro set, ito yung ikakabit natin dito sa ating Glutathione. Okay? So, this is in once again. And then, here we go. Ayan na. Just open the air vent and yan na. Tumutulo na siya. So, pagkatulo niya, kailangan mag-prime yung tubings na walang air na dadaloy sa tubings kasi mapapass on yun sa body. So, what we're going to do, ito nakita nyo na, dumadaloy na yung i-close na natin to. Ito. Yan, so nakita nyo naman, by gravity, the medication flows, di ba? So, i-close na natin siya. Yan. So, I think I got it. Nandito na siya. So, ang gagawin natin, ikakabit natin siya at a higher level na above the heart siya dapat para yung flow ng gravity maayos. So, kakabit natin siya. Okay, wait lang. Inside. So, kakabit ko na siya dito. Okay, tatayin muna ako. Tatayin muna ako at kakabit ko siya. Yan. So, nakabit ko na po siya. At ito na yung end part niya. Ito. Nandito. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, let's do the next step, which is the insertion or the IV puncture. Yan. Or yung tinatawag na intravenous therapy. Yan. So, dapat isukat mo yung ugat sa needle. Mas maliit na gauge, mas okay, mas madaling pumasok. So, ito ngayon. Kita ko na yung ugat, ito yung needle. Okay? So, i-prepare lang natin is our hypoallergenic tape. So, ngayon po, I will have an actual demo for yung self-service na Miracle White Glutathione. Self-service siya kasi ako yung prepare na medication, ako yung nurse, ako din yung patient. Okay? So, at least tatlong, lang, this one, hypoallergenic tape. And then, of course, our cotton balls, wet natin siya with alcohol. Ayan, ito na. And then, of course, we'll put the tourniquet. Yung purpose ng tourniquet is para mag-occlude yung blood, mas lumabas yung veins. So, nilagay ko na siya ngayon, ilalagay ko siya at my left. Kasi, right-handed naman ako eh. Ayan. So, ito na ngayon. Ito na yung ugat, kitang-kita. So, i-clean natin siya with sanitize with alcohol. Ayan. Sanitize with alcohol. Okay. So, prepare ko lang. And then, we're ready. So, ang gagawin natin, tanggalin mo yung yung takip. So, repair ko lang. And then we're ready. So, ang gagawin natin, tanggalin mo yung ano, yung takip, yung cap. And then we're ready now. So, are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. So, ito na yung ugat. Dito tayo. So, I'm ready now. Okay. Dito mas maayos. So, ito na yun. Insert natin yung ating IV. So, upon insertion, bevel up. Yan. Importante may backflow ng blood. Just like this one. Ayan. Kung makita nyo po, may backflow ng blood. Ayan. So, meaning, in yung ano natin. Nasa vein tayo. So, put some plaster. Remove the tourniquet. And, on natin siya. So, yun. Tumuturo na siya. Which means, perfect. Napasok natin yung na successful. So, gawin natin ngayon. Some more tape para hindi lang siya So medyo challenging pag ikaw lang yung nurse kasi medyo pahirapan yung pag-tape yan. But you see, tapos na. Ito na siya, ongoing na tayo with our Miracle White Glutathione. Yeah. Thank you for watching. You just have to wait, depende kasi siya around 15 to 30 minutes bago matapos yung yung Glutathione natin. Depende sa condition ng ugat, sa pag-insert din, depende. So, thank you for watching, and this is once again our session for Miracle White Glutathione. Thank you.